almost made it out to my parents' house. I'm gonna go spend the day up there. Allison and Stormy are coming. They've got a big carport. Today, we're gonna try and install the fan. Interesting. Here we go. Fell through. Whew, I got shit right in the mouth there, so they're gonna go. And there's a hole in the roof. And surprisingly enough, it fits perfectly on the first cut. I mean, it's not the straightest, but it still fits both the adapter piece and we put this in, do it the right way. That piece, they fit perfect. And that was just on the first cut. So now I'm gonna do some cleanup work, and yeah, that was really easy. I'm gonna let this dry. While that's drying, my Uncle Mike has already started with opening up the rack. We're gonna try and get that installed today too. Lots of parts to this thing. We got my youngest brother JT here now. He's going to be on my YouTube channel. He's going to help make a frame for the inside for the fan. Look at that. Woo. Got a hole in the roof.
Yeah.
I can already feel the breeze. It feels great.
Oh, good.
Also smells like spray paint, so. So this is the mounting post that the vans have. So I take this little thing, so now hopefully we can put all of that up here. Allison and my mom are adding more Kilmet to the roof. Finally adding some more to the ceiling. And here is the frame my brother built. Super good. Watched a lot of YouTube videos and that is the best one I've seen. Thanks, JT. And this will go around. Well, eventually that will be the underside of the fan. We got this fully built, so we'll add that to the top tomorrow. Put the fan in tomorrow, and maybe some insulation. Are you ready for s'mores?
So ready.
You love s'mores?
Yes.
Yeah, she does. We are leaving the van for a little bit. We're actually going to go do a hike called Wallace Falls out in Gold Bar, Washington, which is only a 23-minute drive from here. So, look at it. To the top. Stormy day today. And we're back home now. Back to Mama's home. And we're gonna start working on the van. A lot of my family's really tired from the hike, so we'll have a couple less hands, but that's okay. We're gonna try and get roof rack up on top and get the fan installed. Show you what that looks like. That looks pretty good.
It's so high up here.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Baby,
There's the hole in our roof. The adapter that we got, which makes it nice and flush. So we got a screw fan into that. Allison doesn't like the heights. What are you gonna do when there's a rooftop deck up here?
It's pretty high up here.
What are you gonna do when there's a deck up here and you can stand on it?
I'll get used to it.
It's looking a little bit more like a roof fan. What's Allison doing?
Over here. Right here, babe. I'm on the ladder.
Oh, she's over here. All screwed in. Hello.
Hi.
About 2 half days of work, and we got the fan all done, and we've got the roof rack on. They were pretty straightforward, but still lots of work. Lots of meticulous little things, lots of tightening bolts and screws, and it took a while, but I'm going to show you. Now here's the fan. The fan looks nice and flush. Got all these buttons here, on, in and out, hold a certain temperature, open and close the fan door. And look at all this kill mat. All right, we are finally back to the van. And it's raining here, which is exactly why I did this part here under this nice carport. So this is the Turnabond tape that I'm going to use to go around the outside here, and it's for like mobile home roof repair and stuff. It's got this nice, I don't know, plasticky rubber surface thing, but it's just going to look much nicer than it would if I just used this sealant, the lap sealant. So yeah, wish me luck. Make it official. Boom, install done. Maxx fan is in. Good job, bro. Nailed it. Roof rack.
Boom.
Well, my dad's awesome. So he saw this is what I've been using as a toolbox at my house. Pretty fancy, I know. Well, my dad was embarrassed by it, so he picked this up for me, which is way nicer. It's got this tray. So now I'm finally organizing all the little stuff out of my old tackle box, toolbox, and putting it into this thing. So that's pretty sweet. Then clean up this mess. Once that mess is cleaned up, I'm out of here. Tomorrow we're going to a band meetup, which will be really fun. Get to see some bands. Fans installed. Feeling pretty good right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been probably the most fun project so far. I also had a great time editing the footage. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much to our 26 subscribers. I think it's 26 right now. It's steadily growing. Also a huge shout out. Thank you, Mom, Dad, JT, Uncle Mike. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. We'd love to help others who are doing the build. I know watching videos like this really helped inspire me and get me comfortable enough to do this, so I hope that it's helping someone out there. It's great spending the weekend up at my parents' house. We've got some more exciting stuff coming. We got a van meetup that we went to. We got some windows installed in the van. Please, if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. And we can't wait to do some more. Weather's not great today, but it's been pretty nice overall, so we should have some good full days of van work coming up.